All right, guys, welcome back. So today we got two USPSA targets with some B8s up in the high chest. We're at 15 yards. See my little cones there. All I'm going to do is I'm working some target transitions. Going left target, right target, left target on the clock. I'm just trying to build some good index. I'll probably play with the top mounted dot. We'll just talk a little bit about what I'm seeing as we work through here. Okay, so obviously, right, 7.62x39 gun made by Citizen Arms, more recoil than 5.56, and that's fine. I just gotta get more aggressive on the gun. I'm using the entire B8 repair center as my scoring area, which is fine. Right, we're working on some speed. So I'm trying to do is have a good index on the gun. So when I bring the rifle up, my reticle, my red dot, is already on target, right? I'm not shifting the gun once I get up there. Okay. The other thing I'm trying to work on is moving my eyes and then the gun. That's, again, back to bringing the weapon up and having minimum extra movement as we get ready to fire there. Okay, that felt good. That felt good too. Probably over aimed a little bit on that second target. Same thing there. I came over, I was just on the left edge of the bowl, so I kind of pulled a little more deliberately on that second string. All right, let's do it one more time. All right, so we got a unplanned reload for y'all there. That's fine, it's kind of shitty. Whatever, we'll get there. I don't do reloads in live fire. I do them in dry fire, so I'm not wasting ammo. And then just coming out, grabbing this mag was kind of weird for me, right? Because it's not a standard profile. All right, so I went through one magazine. So I only filled it to 25 rounds. Just to make my math easier. And now I'm gonna shoot the same drill, but I'm using the top dot there. So I'm gonna hold, if this is my scoring area, I'm gonna hold like right yonder. All right, again. Okay, I'm seeing just a little bit of accuracy degradation. Again, everyone likes the heads up position. It's not bad. You just got to really be cognizant that you're building a good cheek weld that's consistent. Again. And again. All right, so that second round was off. No big deal. Better reload that time. So the top mounted RDS, you guys can see, right? I'm not dying with it. It's not too high, really. It's just one of those things you gotta build your index for. Then just reset in here. I got a short magazine. This will hold 20 rounds. I got 15 in it, so I got 16 in the gun. All right, let's do this. Let's go to 7. Let's shoot a quick build drill with the top mounted RDS. How about that? All right. I'm gonna use this red dot up top. I'm gonna shoot a build drill. We'll just see how it goes. Again, I'm shooting a 7.62x39 gun made by Citizen Arms. It's getting a little toasty, so let's get on it. 160. They were all in the B8. I'm using that as my scoring zone. Do it again. All right, got some malfunction there. Okay, that'll happen sometimes. You get on the gun. Need some more lube. Let's do it again. All right, bill drill. All right, that one I felt was wildly out of control.